Hey there, gamers. Today we have something special for you, the POWKIDDY Y6 portable video game player. If you're a fan of retro games and handheld consoles, you definitely don't want to miss out on this. With over 10,000 games from 40 emulators, you'll have endless hours of fun and nostalgia right at your fingertips. The POWKIDDY Y6 comes with either 64GB or 128GB of memory and supports a wide range of game types including PSP, PS1, N64, and many more. The Emulator 4.3 operating system ensures smooth and seamless gameplay, while the TV output allows you to enjoy your favorite games on the big screen in stunning 4K resolution at 60 FPS. But that's not all. This handheld console also features a favorites function, game progress saving, and 4G no-delay wireless control handles for maximum convenience and enjoyment. And with support for TF card expansion up to 256GB, you'll never run out of space for your game library. The POWKIDDY Y6 doesn't just deliver on performance, it also boasts an exquisite appearance and comfortable feel that you won't be able to put down. Plus, it comes with everything you need to get started, including the main unit, wireless handles, USB receiver, HDMI cable, power cord, and manual. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your gaming experience with the POWKIDDY Y6. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing portable video game player and start your gaming adventure today. Trust us, you won't regret it. Let's dive into the world of retro gaming together. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and product recommendations. Happy gaming, everyone.